Hey folks, welcome back. Thub here, and I've got a dilemma. I'm hungry and broke. So I'm going to do the only thing that makes sense and go digging through the trash. I'll be bringing a simple set of tools with me that include my grips, my snips, my hammer, chisel, a screwdriver with multiple bits, a simple pry, gloves, a drill with the longest Phillips bit I can find, and a magnet.
Somebody was giving away a heater, air conditioner, radiator, condenser thing. So let's go get that. Yes!
I see a barbecue. Vacuum cleaner. There's a lamp. Hey, pretty kitty. Meow. I found some bottles. One TV. Two TV. Free storage totes. Come with whatever this thing is. That is steel. You can tell because it's rusty. A gas stove. Found a dryer. Probably more work than it was worth. Yep. This fridge was a great find, but just so we're clear, I didn't just start ripping it apart. The owners were out here and I asked them if I could have it. They said sure. Even more convenient is they were licensed to remove and recycle Freon properly. Which is important because that stuff is known to be damaging to the environment. Projection TV. Neat.
Found a barbecue.
Well, it's half a barbecue.
Half a barbecue, still money.
One rollout bin, one bag full of wire, some copper fittings, and whatever this is. Aluminum. One pile of aluminum, one nasty cup. Another barbecue just for me. Tassimo, if you ever wanted to know. digging through this dumpster yesterday, and the person who owns the building in front of it said I could grab a bunch of other stuff that he had in the basement.
Well, that was worth doing.
Christmas lights! Aluminum rim!
Sure would be nice to have the right tool for the job.
So I'm gonna try a different approach with a box of muffins.
Fluorescent light fixture. Air filter. Flat panel TV. So this right here represents about 2 weeks worth of casual work.
We've got some wires, some light ballasts, some non-magnetic stainless steel, painted aluminum, cast aluminum, clean aluminum, aluminum bars, aluminum siding, a whole bunch of TV yokes, some brass, some copper, some motors, and about 4 bags of recycling. And 2 aluminum rims.
So let's load this up and see what we got.
That's all for today.
Alright.
This is my favorite part.
Now I know you just want to see the money, so let's get to the good part. First up, bottles. 31.25. Not bad. Not bad. And here it is, the big money. I want to take a look at the real performers in this. We've got 55.35 from yellow brass. 26.27 from copper number 2. So we're talking about like stripped copper and copper pipe, stuff that still has gum on it. 46.20 insulated copper wire. So wire's worth doing if you can get plenty of it. 34.65 from aluminum extrusion. 66.60 from aluminum cast, and $36 from aluminum rims. So, I mean, everything adds up, but heavy pieces of aluminum seem to be where it's at, making a grand total of $344.25. Don't lose your shirt. I know it seems like a lot of money, but like I said before, that took a solid 2 weeks, and there was a lot of work that I didn't show. It wasn't just grabbing stuff. There was a lot of processing and taking stuff apart and sorting it. That said, though, you could do worse. I'll probably do more videos like this in the future, so subscribe if you want to see more sneaky ways to make money out of garbage. Thanks for watching, and remember to do the thing!